Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 2. How do businesses ensure they have the right people with the right skills? Strategic human resource management is key. This video explores the process of formulating and implementing HR strategies. Human resource planning starts with assessing current workforce skills. It compares these with future needs. Both internal and external factors are considered. This includes the skills needed for future business demands. Understanding this process is crucial for effective HR management. The HR planning process involves several key elements. It starts with business strategic plans and resourcing strategy. Demand and supply forecasting is crucial. Scenario planning and labor turnover analysis are part of this. The aim is to align HR plans with business needs. Internal factors are vital in HR planning. They include changes within the organization. New working methods or demands require new skills. The gap between current and needed skills is measured. This helps in planning future workforce requirements. Organizations must adapt to change. Product demand affects workforce needs. New markets may require new skills. Technological changes impact internal arrangements. Outsourcing can also influence HR strategies. Assessing current workforce skills is essential. It helps build a profile of training and experience. This is crucial for both capital and labor-intensive businesses. Skills requirements change with work nature. Organizations must measure skills to plan effectively. Workforce profiles help managers monitor employees. They include age, gender, and availability. This aids future planning and legal compliance. Large age gaps can cause issues. Profiling helps utilize special skills within the workforce. External factors influence HR planning significantly. Labor supply trends are crucial. National unemployment trends affect skills availability. Labor costs depend on business intensity. Government policies can create skill gaps. Labor costs vary with business type. Capital or labor-intensive businesses face different challenges. Skills availability impacts costs. National minimum wage influences UK labor costs. Businesses must manage these to remain profitable. Government policies shape HR strategies. Education changes can address skill gaps. Market competition affects workforce planning. Businesses may need to offer incentives. Managing funds is crucial for profitability. The workplace is evolving rapidly. A job for life is no longer the norm. Flexible working hours are common. Employees need diverse skills. Flat structures require movement for promotion. Employee expectations are diverse. Contract types vary widely. Personal commitments affect work availability. Automation changes job roles. Businesses must adapt HR strategies accordingly. Tyson and Fell's models categorize HR activities. Clerk of Works focuses on routine tasks. Contracts, managers use sophisticated systems. Architects integrate HR with corporate strategy. Each model has distinct roles and responsibilities. Story's model outlines HR roles. Changemakers are strategic and interventionary. Advisors act as internal consultants. Regulators manage employment rules. Handmaidens provide services to line managers. Riley's model focuses on HR roles. Strategists innovate and plan long-term. Advisors consult and guide. Administrators control and manage. Each role contributes to HR effectiveness. Caldwell identifies HR managers as change agents. Change champions lead strategic change. Adapters modify visions to reality. Consultants implement specific projects. Synergists coordinate large-scale changes. HR specialists require diverse competencies. Business awareness is crucial. Strategic capability supports business goals. Organizational effectiveness enhances performance. Continuous development is key for HR success. HR strategy development involves several stages. Determining organizational objectives is the first step. Environment scanning identifies issues. Gap analysis estimates manpower needs. Execution and evaluation ensure strategy success. Recruitment seeks potential candidates. It aims for a pool with desired skills. Selection involves evaluating and hiring. Strategic planning is crucial for both. This ensures the right fit for job roles. Implementing HR strategies involves several steps. Recruitment fills skill gaps. Training enhances employee capabilities. Performance monitoring ensures alignment with goals. Continuous improvement is vital for success. Continuous professional development is essential. It keeps HR practices up to date. Benchmarking helps identify best practices. New concepts and techniques are crucial. This ensures HR remains effective and relevant. The formulation of human resource strategies involves analyzing organizational goals and aligning workforce plans to support long-term business objectives. This includes assessing current skills, forecasting future workforce needs, and developing strategies for recruitment, training, and retention. Implementation requires clear communication, leadership support, and integration of HR policies into daily operations. Effective execution also involves monitoring performance indicators such as employee productivity, engagement, and turnover rates. By successfully formulating and implementing HR strategies, organizations can build a skilled workforce that drives sustainable competitive advantage. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074 84 361 688.